guys, I got something, I wanted to say for a review, but this is something worth keeping in your bike bag. If you go on long rides, it's cheap enough. It comes with 2 tires or tubes of your size. Press that. And a couple of patch kits. I'm guessing this doesn't come with glue. I'm guessing these gonna back into them if you need them. And a set of half decent tire levers. Hopefully I never need them. But if you're stuck on the side of the road, this is a pretty cheap kit to have. I'll leave a link in the description later.